What if I told you that true strength lies in silence? When life knocks you down, the world may expect a loud return, but the strongest comebacks are often the quietest. It's during these moments of reflection that resilience is forged. By embracing the process, you learn. Each setback becomes a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Your journey isn't just about recovery, it's about growth. Calmly navigating challenges unveils a deeper power within you. In the end, true strength resonates in the silence of determination. Embrace your quiet comeback and let it shine. Ready to transform your life through consistency? Building strength isn't about immediate gratification, it's a marathon. Days blend into weeks, but each moment shapes resilience. Every repetition matters. Real discipline thrives in routine, even when motivation wanes. While others seek quick wins, true growth emerges slowly. Patience becomes your greatest ally. Embrace the grind and watch your potential unfold as you commit to the process. Strength will follow. Ready to choose discipline over comfort? In a world where success often breeds complacency, the true challenge lies in resisting the urge to relax. Each moment of comfort invites compromise, slowly undermining our highest standards. To grow, we must redefine our targets and embrace discomfort. Elevate expectations, increase the demand, and watch your potential unfold. It's not mere motivation, it's relentless vigilance. This is the endless climb towards greatness. Ready to elevate your journey? The discipline starts now. Your identity could be forged in the fires of relentless routine. Each rep transforms pain into strength, creating an unwavering commitment. Motivation fades, but tomorrow's practice brings clarity. Gone is the need for decisions, action becomes instinctive. This is not just discipline, it's an evolution. From sweat and struggle emerges a true self. Your habits shape who you are. Comfort loses its allure. Master your routine and you master your identity. This journey has only just begun. The secret to lasting success isn't motivation, but discipline. It begins quietly, an invisible choice. As pain transforms into routine, a new identity emerges. Influence isn't loud, it's felt in actions. As standards rise, excuses vanish. Legacy isn't spoken, it's lived. Discipline becomes a hallmark of every interaction. This is not motivation, this is your silent legacy. Subscribe to witness the journey.